It's 4 in the morning and the all-women crew of SpiceJet, dressed in bright red with perfect makeup and hair, gathers in a small cabin for a briefing before takeoff. Minus the dazzling tiara, which is a Women's Day special, it's business as usual for this crew. 27-year-old Somdatta, who got married barely a fortnight ago, says she's used to multitasking.
Mostly I get up at 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock, 2:30 in the morning. So I have my household works also. After work, I come to the dispatch and all other smiling faces are there who comes and give you the boost.
With groggy eyes and a smile on their faces, the crew leaves the holding area to prepare for the flight.
Have a safe flight.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Formerly seen as a man's world, women have today become an integral part of the civil aviation industry, and all-women crew are not uncommon. Armed with a torchlight, 34-year-old Nisha walks purposefully around the plane, the neon belts on her jacket gleaming in the dark. An aircraft maintenance engineer by profession, it's Nisha's responsibility to ensure that the big bird is technically sound.
My job is doing maintenance of aircraft, checking all the things. I have checklist. As per the checklist, I have to check all the things which is related to maintenance. We have to check all the fuselage, wheels, brakes, the domes.
Back at the check-in counter, getting ready to board is a group of former Tihar inmates from India Vision Foundation who will be flying for the first time. This 42-year-old, who spent 15 years lodged behind bars, says she has a message on Women's Day.
चाहे मुसीबत का वक्त हो, चाहे खुशी का वक्त हो, कभी भी इंसान को अपनी हिम्मत नहीं हारनी चाहिए और हमेशा अपने हौसले बुलंद रखने चाहिए.
On the flight, the two women pilots give a confident thumbs up before takeoff. 30-year-old Swati, who has been flying for the last 12 years, says she was hooked to the idea of becoming a pilot the first time she sat on a plane.
Commercial flying in India for women have been started back in 70s. At that time, many women pilots have made that effort, as you said, break the glass for us. The first time when I traveled on the aircraft, I really loved it. The feel of flying, the feel of sky, I loved it.
On Women's Day, the all-women crew of the aircraft doesn't just ensure all passengers are safe and well-fed, they also remind us of the journey we as women have taken to make a mark for ourselves in a man's world. In New Delhi, Simi Pasha for India Today.